Oh yeah. Holy cow.
Oh my.
The whole front's gone. That's way worse than I thought it was going to be.
You ready?
Sure. Alright, I don't want to be in this.
You don't want to?
No. The dumb that blew his motor?
Oh, we'll beat him, but let him put like
Yeah, I'll blur your face.
We'll just put racer.
Okay, why is this in here?
As you can tell by trace of oil, it went kaboom. I wasn't driving it this time. This has nothing to do with me. We have a bad history of me filming blown up BMWs in the shop. This has nothing to do with me. Someone else was driving it. And it grenaded. So
We already got.
we're gonna see why and what the carnage is.
Oh my.
I'm nervous. I'm gonna get hit in the head with something. I feel it. Piece of rod or piston.
Oh. Oh no. Oh.
Is that wrist pin?
That's wrist pins.
That's two.
I told you, if I hadn't moved, I'd have got hit in the head. That's a part of a bearing that's bent in half. Well, considering that was at the front, where did that come from?
How many miles were on this engine?
27,000.
Ooh.
There's a hole. Oh man. Another piece. I see carnage all on this metal shield.
This is bad.
This is real bad.
Get here. The other side.
Oh. Jesus.
Oh shit.
Holy cow.
Oh my.
The whole front's gone. Look. The entire front is gone.
Oh, I gotta come around.
Yeah, you gotta come to my side.
Holy.
Wow. Oh, watch out, doggo. You got oil on your back now.
Holy.
That's way worse than I thought it was gonna be.
Holy crap.
You wanna know the craziest part?
Hmm.
This motor still runs. It drove in the shop. I drove it in, I know. Yep. It said start it up and back it off the trailer, and we did.
Flabbergasted.
Ooh. Did you look up past the crank?
No.
Where it went up?
It went up? Like,
Dude, this is bad.
oh,
I've never seen
see
one
my
like that.
head.
Look at that.
that's, that is bad.
We can see the head of the motor. So look right where the rod should set around the crank. Look above that and you'll see more holes.
Oh,
Man. Oh, shit. You can.
that's insane.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's right in my face.
So it's a V6.
Or 4 or something. One valve almost got pushed all the way through.
Let's inspect the damage.
One rod, 2 rods. That's block. Hey, here, I'll give you some money back.
Yeah, hold on.
Which one was it?
Here, the best 2 signs.
Oh, shit, I'm keeping these. Hell yeah.
When this is pickup tube for oil pump.
Over there we got the wrist pins, right? 2 of them.
Yeah, there's one. There's another bearing.
It's such a nice car to be that broken.
That
Let's,
almost looks like abstract artwork.
You want to take the bottom of the oil pan off?
I kind of want to, just
see what
just
the fuck?
because.
It's only not too many volts.
It'll come off real easy.
Yeah, get done.
You want to hear it run for proof?
Yeah,
I guess you start it.
might as well.
Put a GoPro under there.
It's not like we can hurt it.
Might as well.
It's already broke.
It's gone. Basically, stock motor. That's insane.
BMW makes good 6-cylinders. Just more proof.
All right, we're ready. there's a check engine light?
That's what it says. It says
Huh.
drivetrain malfunction.
That's weird.
It's a tune-up.
Yeah. Oh my! That is crazy. I got oil on the limbs.
Oh my.
Oh.
Sounds pretty mean.
Entertaining. I think it's slightly hurt. Just a
It's
little.
going to make good content.
Just so BMW don't build a good motor. Thing's missing 2 cylinders and still runs. I got you.
Pan's coming off.
Lower pan. Just one more piece. A few more pieces.
All in all, my motor looks pretty clean though.
I'm
Solid
shocked
piece
that
of
the
metal.
oil pump is still intact. Honestly. You full sent it going slow. The oil's clean.